Hello, everyone, and welcome to ML Crypto, your knowledge and friendly crypto hub. So, today we'll be discussing something very, very important. Please don't mind what you're seeing on my screen, the lines, and all of that. I'm just doing some analysis there. So, today we'll be discussing something very, very important where I know most of us have been battling with this issue I'm going to address today. What I'm going to be addressing today is the best and simple way to get your entry point, the best and simple way to get it or set it before entering the market. Some people just jump into the market when they see a signal from anywhere, they'll just rush into the market and just enter the market at the current market price, which is very, very wrong. And if the market should just retrace, if there's a retracement in the price, these people will feel like they are losing. Then they close the trade, and you see at the end of the day, they'll be the ones losing. So today I'm going to show us the best and simple way to get your entry point before entering any market. No matter the signal, you are always advised to do your own research. You understand me? So after you've done your own research, you've done your top-down analysis, you've come to your 1 day time frame, 4 hours time frame, 8 hours, like that. So for you to get your entry point is to come to your 1 minute. Sorry, you have to come to your 1 minute time frame. So you click on your 1 minute time frame. Now this is our other USDT chart. Okay, I said you should come to your 1 minute time frame because this is the best place you can set your entry point. You can see how ADA is rising. So for me, the best way to get your entry point in a trendy market that is moving in an uptrend, is for you to set when there is a retracement. Do you understand me? When there is a retracement in price. If you understand, okay. If you see from here, this is more of an impulsive move. After this little retracement here, there was an impulsive move from here, and it moved down to this place before there was a retracement. You get down to this place. Now, if you enter this market when it was here, now if you see the candle closed by 2.5493, it opened by 2.5500, and it closed by 2.493. Sorry, 2.5493. So if you entered here, you see that immediately after then there was an impulsive move. You get it moved, and there was a retracement down to this place. Now, if you look at the retracement down to this place now, you see that the candle closed by 2.5584. Even though it was a retracement, it didn't get close to your entry point. You understand? And it now move until there was a Bollinger squeeze here before that impulsive move again. You understand? And you see there will be a little retracement, impulsive move, little retracement, impulsive. You see retracement, then this huge impulsive move. You see, you've got a good entry point. You understand? So that is the best and easiest way to get your entry point. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop your comments. Thank you.